Welcome again, my companions. From the last video, we began a JSP and Servlet beginner to advanced tutorial. This is the second video. In this video, we'll figure out how we can set up our environment for our programming. Let's take a look at the list of our works. First of all, we'll download all of the necessary files, and then we will install them individually. Before returning to program on request to you, if you are new in my channel, please subscribe to my channel and turn on notification to get a notification once I upload the following video. Alright guys, let's go back to my browser. Here I already opened all necessary files, download website. So here is first one is Java AC downloads. I'll give you all the link in the description below. You can check those link there. So first of all, we need to download our Java AC downloads. So here you can, this is the latest version 14. So just click on downloads. Okay, then AC development kit. So here you can check those out. So what we need, just come here and download Windows 64 installer. Okay, download the 64 installer. I already downloaded all the necessary files, so here I don't want to download again. And the next one is Java runtime server. This JRE file it's called. This is it is update version. So also download it from here, just clicking by the download button. And don't forget to here this is option for tick mark, maybe so must tick mark that. And next option is Apache Netbeans IDE. Go to netbeans.apache.org/download, then scroll down and you can see that this is the update version 11.3. Just click on download. It will send you to the download page, and here what you need to download the binaries option, NetBeans binaries option 11.3 bin.g. okay, download this file. Then need to download the Tomcat. Just go to tomcat.apache.org, download 9.0 CGI, or you can just go to tomcat.apache.org. then in front page you will see their all services. So from here you need to download 64 windows.zip file. Just download the zip file. It's okay, no problem. We want to use version 9, or you can download other version, no problem. Let me go back to here. You can see you download 9.3.4, or you can also download 8.5. it's also okay. Now next one is Eclipse IDE. Here is our Eclipse IDE. So let me send you back here, and eclipse.org/downloads, and here you will get the option to get Eclipse IDE 2020-03. Just click on download 64-bit, and then click on here and download all the necessary files. Me already downloaded all the files in my download folder, so you can check those out. I already downloaded Apache Tomcat, Eclipse, JDK, that is AC, Java AC development kit, and JRE file, and Netbeans, and some other necessary documents. So first of all, we will install our JDK file. Just click on here, right, double click, and it will automatically open a window pop-up for installation confirmation. Let's see. So click on next, and this is your default folder. If you want to change, you can change, but I think the default folder is okay. Just click on next, and wait a few moments to finish it. Okay, on other side, what you need to do, just extract those zip file here. Let the file install it and extract here your Netbeans IDE, and also extract your Apache Tomcat IDE. Let them extract, and let's see what's going on here. Let's go to there. Okay, you can see that our Java team AC development kit has been successfully installed. So it's just close on next. Okay, just close. Let's go back to our PC and program files. You can check Java. So here is our JDK 14. In previously I have already installed JDK 13, and this is the update version. So we need to set up our path in our system. So just open that folder and go to the bin and Control C, copy the path. Copy the path and come back to here and right click your PC, go to properties, and go to advanced system setting, and click on environment variables, and here you can see that system variables. So come here and click on path, then click on edit, and you can see that in previously I already added JDK 13.0.1. Now we want to create new path, so create new, and here just paste your directory location, JDK location, then click on OK and click on OK. Okay, it's set our environment, then OK. And now how we can check that our Java has been installed successfully? So for that just click your Windows R, open CMD, and here type Java C clone hyphen version, then click on enter. You can see that I have already installed Java 13.0.1. I think you will get it 14.0.1. Now click on your JDK. JDK is done. Sorry. Now click on JRE file and install the JRE runtime environment. I already installed the runtime environment. Let's try one more time. Okay, it will take few moments. Okay, now just let's work on Netbeans first. So open your Netbeans folder, and in bin folder you will get Netbeans 64.exe file. Let me finish it first. Just click on this file. So this is portable. You can paste it the file it anywhere. So, settings created by previous version of IDE we are found on your system at do you want to input them? So basically no, because I have already previous version of Netbeans IDE. I don't want to input that settings, so it will took some times. And also let's see what about our Java. I think so. Java has been installed. Okay, so you have successfully installed Java. Just close. Let's open our Netbeans IDE and set up our Netbeans IDE. Okay, you can see this start page, your brand new Netbeans IDE. Just click on. So this is the empty because we don't have here any project here. Now for Netbeans IDE we need Tomcat server. So still let's rename it Tomcat 9 9.2. Okay, rename it. Just open your Tomcat folder and go to the configure file, and here Tomcat users.xml file. Open it in your notepad. Double click. Okay, just scroll down, and you can see there we have some user option, but it's has been commented. So we have to define a user here. For user defining, I already made the documents here. You can see user. Let me explain all those things here. Just copy it and just paste it. So here is our username Almamon, and password I set 123, and roles. This is the most important thing, is roles. This is admin, manager GUI, and manager script. Okay, then click on file, then save. Okay, just cut it. Let's double check it. It's go to config file, Tomcat users, and so it's has been set. Okay, cut it and go to your Netbeans IDE, then services, then servers. We don't have any servers. Then right click your servers, then add server, then Apache Tomcat server, then click on next. Feature, finding the feature, download and active. So in order to use these functionalities, support for Java Web and EE must be activated. So additional modules are needed to run Java SE support JDK 8 that we already has been installed, and additional more are needed to run Java JDK 8. Just click on download and activate. So JavaFX implementation for Windows 13.2, the following plugins will be installed. The NB Java, then click on next. Oh no, we already maybe installed that. Just click on cancel, go back. These plugins we record that, accept and install. JavaFX implementation for Windows, it will take a few times. So wait a moment, I am speeding the video. Okay, let me check it out what's wrong here, and I'm coming back to you. Alright guys, I found out the solution what's wrong here. Actually all plugins already been installed, just we need to activate them, and I already activated all of them, and now you can see our getting deactivate option only. So check something new, check this on, and you can see that we got a activation button. So click on activation button and click active. It will take few moments, then it will be activated. And how you get that? So go back to your tools and click on plugins, and go to the installed option. So you will get all these options there. So let me close it, and now click on servers, add server, and Apache Tomcat server. Click next, and here you can see we need the location of our Tomcat server. So click on browse. We put the server in Tomcat file in download file, and check that file and click on open, and unmark this, uncheck this option, because we already created user in previous in user config file, so you don't need to check mark this. So click on finish. Okay, you can see that our Tomcat server has been added in Eclipse. Now go back to your folder and double click on Eclipse installer, and for this one we will use Eclipse Enterprise Java Developer Edition. So double click on and choose your location or JDK file, and here I am using 14.0.1, the newest version. I have been installed there. Click on and then install. Okay, it will take few times and I am speeding up the video. Okay, for Eclipse we need one more Apache Tomcat server. Just extract the file, because Eclipse don't need any user configuration. So for that I extract one more time for Eclipse. Okay, let's see what's going on here. Take times to install it. I am waiting for it. In our for programming we can use Eclipse IDE, we can use Netbeans IDE. So what do you prefer? You want to use Eclipse IDE or you want to use Netbeans IDE? So give your comment opinion in comment box. So from next project I will use Netbeans IDE, but give your opinion. Which IDE do you prefer, Netbeans IDE or Eclipse IDE? But I mostly like Netbeans IDE. I love it most because it's something easy for configuration. Okay, it's our Eclipse IDE almost done and it's finished. So click on launch. So for first time launching it will take a few more times, so please stay on patterns. Okay, Eclipse has been launched and asking for workplace, so you can put it to default, to take it to default, but I am choosing my own workplace. So click on OK. So it will running. You can choose your workplace by yourself at any folder. It's up to you which folder you feel comfortable. Okay, our Eclipse has been launched and the welcome page, just cut it, and now we need to set up our server first for Eclipse. For that I have to go back to server option. So click on file, then new, and choose other, and scroll down. You will get option for server. Let me see. Yes, you got the server option. Expand the server and click on server, then next, and choose Apache and Apache 9.0 server, Tomcat 9.0, because we are using the latest version. So click on next, and here we have to define our location. So click on browse, and here we just extract a new Apache Tomcat. Click this, open this folder, select this folder. Okay, just click on next, and here is nothing, just click on finish. Okay, our left hand side we got our server here, Apache Tomcat server. So now create a new project, our first project, using dynamic web project, new dynamic web project, and choose your name, project name. So test app, this is our test app, and click on next. And here we already defined our Apache Tomcat there, and the web version is 4.0. this is the latest version I would like to use, and click on next, and here is your source directory, and next, and don't forget to, this is our context root name and the web content, and don't forget to mark this one, check mark this one to generate web.xml file. So check mark this one and click on finish. So for first time it will take time to get everything ready for us, so wait a moment. Alright my friends, our project has been created. So here is almost getting ready. So our project is ready. So expand your test project app, and here is the web content. And here is the Java resource folder. We will store all our resource in our source packages, create new package, and everything is there. And web.info file, we have a web.xml file, and right click on web content file and click on new JSP file. Okay, this is new JSP file. I am not going to edit it. So click on next and resolve value and click on finish. So our brand new JSP page here, and just click here, write hello world h1, write down hello world. It's uppercase, make it to lowercase, hello world. Okay, just save it and run it. So we didn't save it, that's why it's asking for saving. Save and run. Select your web server, Apache Tomcat, next, and nothing to add here, the directory. Okay, done. And give some permission here. Okay, cannot reach this page. Something wrong. What's wrong? Okay, I think so my VPN is problem. Cut it. Build path, go to your build path and add all your JRE file. So tick mark all those files, Apache Tomcat, web libraries, and JRE file, and apply. And close. Let me run again. Run on server. Okay, Tomcat, next, finish. Okay, we got the same problem again. I told you that VPN problem. Okay, disconnect it and refresh. Okay, HTTP status 404. That means something they are not getting ready. So cut it and run this project again. Okay, here we got our brand new hello world. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, and see you in next video. Our main course, we will learn about HTTPS servlets. So see you in next video.